The Riyadh festival, so ambitious. I mean, I've never seen anything so beautiful, really. Like the lights, the flowers, the sculptures of birds, um, everything, limousine, little golf carts. I mean, top notch. So much went into this festival. And the most beautiful part about it is that world-class restaurants from all over came together in this one area and showcased their food. And as a result, you had people from Riyadh, from all over Saudi Arabia, as well as all over the world coming to eat. And the most amazing thing, we were all eating together, united by food on one table.
We're getting restaurants from all around the world, from the US, from Peru, from France, from Japan, and we hope that, you know, when a tourist looks at one place where you can come and enjoy all these amazing restaurants, top restaurants of the world, you know, who wouldn't want to come and experience this?
Over the last 10 years, they've wanted more and more of these quality restaurants to come into the country, and it's been difficult for various reasons to get restaurants like this here. And now, I think with an event like this, it's really focusing on the ability and bringing people in and saying, this is like any other place in the world, and people here want to enjoy food like any other place. And you know, really now with the logistics coming online, tourism starting to come in slowly, setting an atmosphere for restaurants of this caliber to be able to come into the kingdom. And I think that's what this event was to kind of showcase and say, you know, come in, it's not as scary as you may see on some news channels, and the people here are wonderful, and they just want to eat good food like everybody else.
How did we get here in the first place? What got us here was just these simple dishes, right, from the restaurant. It's kind of brought the world to the restaurant, and now that these people from this completely other side of the world has brought the restaurant to them as a result. As I always say, like, what brings us together and what ties us together is food. Food is an international phenomenon where, like, something that tastes good, it kind of tastes good to everybody. And something that tastes really bad, most likely tastes bad to everybody as well. Regardless of race, gender, nationality, religious belief, we've created relationships and friendships with people that you would never think you would, based on, you know, the challenges that this journey has given us.
I think the main point of this event is to open the eyes of the people who live here and open the arms for the country to receive everybody who wants to come.